Hey everyone, this is the training video of how to get your students on the ACT Academy. So in this form, if you click the portal, ACT Workshop portal, it's going to actually take you directly to some very important links. I would highly recommend that you share this with your students, and they could obviously view only, so aren't able to delete anything. And you're going to let them know to click on ACT Academy. Once that has been clicked and loading, you want to make sure that they're using Google Chrome because for whatever reason, Safari doesn't work properly. You're going to have them sign up. You're going to have them click student. Did your teacher give you a username? You're going to say no. And you're going to have them fill out. Either they can put their username, first and last name. Honestly, I would probably prompt them to put their Southlands email so they don't forget. I'm going to put my personal email for the sake of this. Actually, I'm going to actually use my maiden name email just so it doesn't show any problems. And then I'm going to create a password. Class code. You do not have a class code, so you can skip that and you're just going to have the kids check mark I am here to practice for the ACT. Do not have them sign up with Google. For whatever reason, when students were signing up with Google, it was giving them issues. And then you're going to click next step. Once that has done, you're going to have them type up their name. They don't have to upload a photo. It's fine. Next step. This part, you are gonna type up the entire name of Southlands Christian Schools because Southlands unfortunately doesn't come up in the school list. So just tell them to write Southlands Christian Schools, and then it's not going to show up, but it's fine. You're going to click next. And then it's going to say you've already joined the group, my ACT Prep, and you click Start Learning. So this is what your students should see. And based on what subject area they're focusing on, let's just say, for example, English. If I was doing a tutoring session with English on a Tuesday, I'm going to tell them to click Explore English. Now, the beautiful part of the handouts that you're going to be giving your students of the breakdown of how they did on that particular subject, it's going to actually tell them which area they should focus on. And then they're going to click Take Quiz. This is what they're going to see, and it actually is going to ask them very rigorous questions, much more rigorous than Prep Factory, which is great. So let them know to not rush. You want to actually, try to answer. Right now I'm just kind of speeding through because I want you to see what happens after they finish a quiz. But once they finish, it's going to tell them how they did, which I probably did terrible because I just filled it out. It's telling me based on I got 0 correct, okay? They can actually look and see what they got wrong. And this is maybe where they ask you questions personally as the teacher. But a lot of it they can kind of figure out on their own. Something that's awesome about this is after they've done that, they can keep practicing. So they can explore English and finish all of these different quizzes. Once they've completed all of the quizzes, the 3, because this is just kind of checking their progress and how they're doing, they are going to be given a lot more quizzes that they can take, and it's great because it's going to keep them growing their skills as a student. Once again, I probably got 0 correct. 0, yes I did. And it's going to, so right here, 0 quizzes completed. If I click that, it's going to tell me different quizzes that I can take. So after I've done kind of like the diagnostic, you can have them click more quizzes, and this is where it's going to help them on various areas of that subject. And then they even have an ACT practice test altogether. So this is an entirely free website of free ACT prep. So I really hope this minimizes 1, prep for our teachers, but 2, that it really does support our students. Please let me know if you have any questions leading up to when you facilitate one of the tutoring sessions, and I hope this video helped. Thank you guys for supporting the goal of having all students that were below benchmark receive ACT support. I really believe it's going to make a difference. Thank you, and I so appreciate every one of you.